We have another example at the board. What we're supposed to notice that on the left side of the equation we have nothing else, just the sine of the sum of two angles. So in order to prove that the left side is equal to the right side, we're supposed to use the formula for the sine of the sum of two angles. The formula is sine alpha plus beta is equal sine alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta. This is the formula which I'm going to use on the left side. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to copy the left side first. So I have sine x plus 2 pi equals, this is my alpha and this is my beta. So this is equal sine of x times cosine 2 pi plus cosine alpha, that's why I'm going to have cosine x, this is my x, my alpha, times sine my beta, which is equal 2 pi. Please notice that cosine of 2 pi is equal 1. So this is going to be 1. And sine of 2 pi is equal 0. That's why I'm going to write 0. Sine of x times 1 is equal sine of x plus cosine of x times 0 is 0. Sine of x plus 0 is sine x. Now, let's take a look at the trigonometric function which we just got obtained and at the original equation. On the right side we have sine of x. So means we proved that the left side of my equation is equal to the right one. Let's take a look at the next example. Please notice that on the left side of this equation we have the cosine of the sum of two angles. And this is the formula for the cosine of the sum of two angles, and we are going to use it right now. Like always, we are going to copy the side of the equation which we are going to simplify. I have cosine x plus pi. This is my alpha and this is my beta. According to the formula, this is equal to cosine x times cosine of pi minus sine of x and sine of pi. Please notice that cosine of pi is equal -1. It's equal -1. Sine of pi is equal 0. Cosine of x times -1 is equal negative cosine of x. Sine of x times 0 is 0. That's why I'm not going to write it. So let's take a look what we have obtained. We have negative cosine of x. On the right side I have negative cosine of x. Means that we prove that the left side is equal to the right side.